How to turn on Gmail desktop notifications on PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on Gmail notifications on PC. All what you have to do is so simple. Go here and click on the settings option. Now click on see all settings right here. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. Scroll down until you find the Gmail notifications. Here is it, desktop notifications. Now right here you can turn on the Gmail desktop notifications from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.